What does an ENQT Network Tester do? Before installing smart meters, IoT devices or antennas, there's always one key question. Can I rely on the mobile network at this location? The ENQT Network Tester gives you a clear, reliable answer. In the field, this network tester helps you answer 3 critical questions. Is there sufficient signal and quality? Which networks are available here? And is the connection stable enough for long-term operation? Simply put, it shows you how good the mobile network really is at a given spot, so you can be certain that devices like smart meters, IoT equipment or antennas will work properly. Who is this network tester ideal for? For smart meter installers, it confirms whether the meter communicates reliably. For an IoT integrator, it shows which network works best for sensors or gateways. And for telecom teams, it helps determine coverage and antenna placement with confidence. What can you test with it? Here are the functions in simple terms. Signal measurement. To determine how strong the mobile signal is and to check if the quality is sufficient for a stable connection. Checking the network coverage. To find out which networks are available at a certain location and how well 4G, 5G, narrowband IoT, LTE-M or M2M networks perform at that spot. Testing speed and stability. You can measure latency, delay and data throughput of upload and download links. Optimizing antenna installations so that you can determine the best position for antennas during installation. History and cloud uploads, allowing you to save your work and analyze measurements anywhere afterwards. The metering edition goes even further by allowing you to test M-Bus and LMN functionality on site, so problems are solved before deployment and not after installation. To conclude, the ENQT Network Tester removes uncertainty from mobile installations and helps to boost quotas based on a first-time right principle. It gives installers confidence that what they deploy today will still work tomorrow. Contact us to find the model that fits your application.